iCloud sign out not available due to restrictions on iPhone and iPad. So if you want to fix the problem of a sign out button not clickable or sign out option not available due to restrictions on your iPhone or your iPad, then first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to scroll down, go with screen time. Under screen time, you can scroll down and go with content privacy and restrictions. Under privacy and restrictions here, if you have turned on the content privacy and restrictions, you can go and turn it off. It may ask you for your password, you can go and turn it off. After turning your content and privacy restrictions off, you can go back to your settings, just refresh, and after refreshing, you can go with your account, scroll all the way down, and you may have the sign out option. But even if you have the sign out option, if it doesn't tap or doesn't click up, then you can again go back to your settings and go with your screen time. Under screen time, you can scroll down, and here you will have turn off app and web activity or turn off your screen time. You just need simply tap on turn off, enter your password, and turn off your screen time. After turning it off, you can go back to your settings or restart your device. After restarting, you can go with your account, and now you may have the sign out option. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.